there is a sort of intertextual relationship between Kyd's Spanish tragedy and Shakespeare's Hamlet. You may be curious to know what that intertextual relationship is. You see, in Kyd's Spanish tragedy, it is the son Horatio who is murdered, and the father Hieronimo is supposed to take the revenge for the foul murder of the son, and in the process he becomes mad. Then there is also a play within the play. There are scenes of bloodshed, horror, and melodrama. And when we read, or rather when we see Hamlet, we find that Hamlet's father has been murdered, and Hamlet has been given the task of taking the revenge. In the process, he becomes mad, though this madness is debatable. Whether Hamlet is really mad or he is merely playing the role of a madman. That would be discussed in some other video. Besides, we also find the play within the play in Hamlet. That play is known as The Murder of Gonzago. So that way, there is some sort of intertextual relationship between the two plays. This concept of intertextuality was propagated by the structuralists. And among the structuralists, Julia Kristeva has talked about this theory of intertextuality. Thank you for watching the video.